Holi, the beautiful festival of color, is being celebrated across India and the world with gulal, pichkaris and gujias. Holi is being celebrated with great enthusiasm, marking the official arrival of spring and celebrating triumph over evil. Now, this is the festival that's bringing colors of happiness, peace and good vibes. And as you can see visuals on your screen of Holi being celebrated across different corners of the country with gulal, flowers, gujia as well as pichkaris that of course is a festival that let's just get you how India is celebrating this gorgeous festival of colors with my colleague Shreyashi, who's joining us from Kolkata, Anushka joining us from Delhi. Anushka, how are the people in Delhi celebrating the festival of colors?
A very happy Holi to you, Divya. Right now we're at Central Delhi and we are seeing people who are preparing to celebrate Holi right now. It's the festival of colors, the ongoing of spring festival. And what is special about this year's Holi is that it is falling on the exact day of Ramzan also. We are seeing the security deployment that has been done in Delhi. 2,500 paramilitary forces have been deployed at every nook and corner to take care of the security arrangements. People we are seeing who are in fact filling up their balloons, their pichkaris, they are in fact also bringing out gujias in a tray and they are about to celebrate Holi. Today we're also seeing that several of the leaders in Delhi are also in fact about to celebrate Delhi. We're at the Delhi BJP right now. This year's Holi is special for them because this is the first time after 27 years that they have been in power and this is the first celebration that will be in fact going here. The Chief Minister will be arriving in a few while. Also we are seeing that people from different areas are in fact also celebrating Holi today to celebrate the triumph over evil. And also we are seeing several of the people in fact who will be coming out of their houses and playing with colors today. Over to you.
Right, of course, Anushka, the Festival of Colors is being celebrated. Let's just go across to our colleague Shreyashi as well. Shreyashi, a very happy Holi from Anushka and all of us here at NETV. Take us through how is, the Festival of Holi very popular in Kolkata? What are the rituals that are followed besides color and festivities?
A very happy Holi to all our viewers and everyone at office. Of course, it's a very big day here in Kolkata and across the country. Of course, the celebrations will begin shortly. Here in Kolkata, of course, the stage is set. The preparations are on full swing. A little later on in the day, we will have people here coming out in large numbers and playing Holi. But to let our viewers know, in Kolkata and in West Bengal especially, there is something called Dol Jatra, which the Bengalis celebrate, keeping in tune with what Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore started at Shantiniketan, where in the morning, early hours of the morning, almost at 6, at the crack of dawn, women and children dress up in yellow, which signifies the color of spring, or Boshanto Ritu as we say here in Bengal, and they go around their localities singing songs penned by Rabindranath Tagore and dancing and playing Holi with flowers. That's something that was started at Shantiniketan at the Vishwa Bharati campus, and that is something that's the traditional Holi that is of course celebrated in the state. And apart from that, we have of course how we see it across India. There are DJs, there's music, there's fun, there's food, and this is one such location where we will be having a minister come in later on in the day, in the afternoon. It's still early in the morning. People are still gearing up, having their breakfast, getting ready before they come here and begin their Holi celebrations. That's the DJ kiosk that's already there on the stage. It's going to be a day of fun and music with family and friends. It's a day where they celebrate with the Festival of Color. And of course, it's a long weekend as well. Today is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. A lot of schools and colleges and offices are shut. So it's going to be a long weekend for the people celebrating.
Right, of course, Shreyashi, let's go back to Anushka. Anushka, the stage is completely set as far as West Bengal is concerned, and we can see how grand the celebrations are going to be and, the preparations that are already in place. Anushka, take us through, what are the kind of colors that are available in the market besides the organic colors? What are you seeing new this time around? From what we're hearing is the new pichkaris, which have Prime Minister Modi's pictures on it. There are also masks that are available in the market, which are themed on Prime Minister Modi.
That's right. We see every year around there's a theme going on in the markets. People buying Holi. We saw last year it was Chandrayaan. Also, we are seeing because India has won the ICC championship trophy. So we are also seeing that pictures available, masks available of several cricketers, and also we are seeing the pichkaris of the shape of the trophies which are being sold in the markets. We're also seeing people who are in fact too late to buy all those stuffs are in fact now going towards the market. Some of the places are still open so that people can in fact go on and buy the all the pichkaris and gulals. We also saw yesterday it was Holika Dahan. We saw in several places in Delhi people were in fact taking part in this festival, and also today people are gearing up to celebrate Holi. Stage is being set. People are in fact now gearing up, having breakfast, as our colleague Shreyasi just mentioned. And also we are seeing in Delhi, because it is the national capital, and several of the leaders are in fact also going to be celebrating Holi. We see Holi being celebrated at Rajnath Singh's house at a very grand level. We see Holi being celebrated at JP Nadda's house. It will also take place later in the afternoon. But also we are seeing this year Holi is special for Delhi because after 27 years we are at the Delhi BJP. After 27 years the BJP is in fact in power, and several of the leaders from BJP will be celebrating Holi at a very grand level. But also for people, we're also seeing that they are in fact having their breakfast. After a while we'll see the people, the colors, all of it coming outside on the streets and playing Holi together. It is also a long weekend, so people are in fact also trying to celebrate all of that factor that when it comes to Holi. Now this is also very special because today Ramzan also lies at the very same day of Holi. We're also seeing the police deployments that have been put in place. 1,200 paramilitary forces, 2,500 rather paramilitary forces are in fact deployed at every nook and corner of Delhi, so that it can be a very peaceful celebration around this year. But also we are seeing people who are quite high in spirits are in fact about to hit the streets to celebrate the festival of colors. Over to you.
Right, of course, with the Chief Minister also of Delhi celebrating at the Usha Kiran shelter. Let's just go across to Sujata, who's joining us from Mumbai. Sujata, a very happy Holi to you. Of course, Holi is synonymous with Bollywood. It's music, it's actors, always throwing that, huge Holi bash. Take us through which are the names, usually who do have those very grand parties where you see a huge turnout from the Bollywood fraternity.
Well, certainly, and to start with, a very happy Holi to you and team. And talking about, like you said, Mumbai, a hub for big Bollywood celebrities and television stars come out and play Holi, be it at the JVPD ground or the Kora Kendra ground in Borivali, where people come out with their passes and pre-bookings to celebrate Holi together. And today as well, we're going to see the same picture, where in Mumbai, if we see there's going to be these Bollywood celebrities at the JVPD ground, along with the big Maharashtra political leaders in in their own residences, celebrating Holi with their friends and family. And today as well, because we know that it's Friday and it's going to be the Jum'e namaz, there has been deployment made by the Mumbai police, and there has been some guidelines that has been issued from 13th of March to 18th of March, which includes any sort of obscene public utterances or any such gestures being made to people they're not familiar with. Actions will be taken accordingly. And Mumbai police has also stated that people do celebrate Holi and they must, but however, any sort of hitting the balloons to women or children who are just passing by the roads, action will be taken accordingly. So today is going to definitely be a festival of spirit, of colors. People will be out there on the roads along with the Bollywood celebrities, going amongst their fans and also celebrating Holi with them. But also at the same time, Mumbai police has ensured that all sort of actions is being taken, and to ensure that everybody plays a safe Holi, and also the colors or the festival of colors is being celebrated with high spirit.
Right, Sujata. So, of course, it's very early in the morning for the Bollywood fraternity to be out celebrating Holi. Of course, all the festivities will start in just a bit. Let's also go back to Anushka. Anushka, we did mention the Chief Minister, Rekha Gupta, visiting the Asha Kiran shelter, as well as the BSF personnel immersed in festivities with great enthusiasm as well. We're talking about, the BSF at the border when it comes to India-Pakistan. We saw visuals of them distributing sweets, applying gulal, and also, chants of slogans of Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
That's right, Divya. We are seeing all around India the festival is about to be celebrated. We saw the celebrations visuals that were coming from the BSF, Jawans who were celebrating Holi. We also saw, several of the ministers also going on playing pre-Holi, because we're also seeing that several of the themes were in fact put in place. We are seeing people who are right now also in fact celebrating the joy of winning the ICC championship trophy. We're also, because we are seeing that this is a festival of colors, the mark of, the start of spring. So we are also seeing people who will be hitting the streets in a few while. People are gearing up, filling up their balloons so that they can, play with water also, with rang, with gulal, with abir. Every of the things are in fact being put in place. The preparations is ongoing. In a short while, we'll see people who will come out to celebrate the festival of colors. Also, we're seeing that this time around, several of the police officers are also in fact celebrating Holi, because, while being on duty, it's impossible to avoid colors that are being sprinkled everywhere. People will be smearing colors, on each other's faces. And we're also seeing that sweets are also in fact, being distributed all around. Gujia is quite a famous cuisine that when it comes to Holi, people are in fact very much into it. And also we are seeing that several of the ministers who will be playing Holi at their residence, several of the Karyakartas who will be joining them. And also we are seeing that because this is a festival of colors, this is a festival where people will in fact also play Holi with water. We are seeing quite a great enthusiasm between people, amongst people. They are also, because it's a long weekend, today is Friday and Saturday, Sunday is the week off of people. So some of the people have also in fact gone on to celebrate Holi in a quite unique way, going out of station and also taking their family along with themselves. So in a short while, we will be seeing that all the streets that will be colored, all the people who will be hitting on streets so that they could celebrate this festival. And also we are seeing the deployment of police personnel so that this security angle will also be taken care of. 2,500 paramilitary forces that have been deployed at every nook and corner in Delhi, because also we are seeing that it is a festival for both communities today. Holi for the, for everyone. And also we are seeing that Ramzan also falls today. Today is Friday also.
Right.
So we are seeing that people from every community in a short while, they will be in fact hitting on the streets to celebrate both the festivals. And we are seeing a lot of enthusiasm and excitement amongst the people. And in a few while, we will also be seeing the celebrations that will be going around. Over to you.